This is Samsung's Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is now on pre-order here in the UAE, and we thought we'd give you a quick look at what you can expect with the device. This year, Samsung's gone the Apple route, removing the charging brick and headphones from the box for environmental reasons, subsequently making the Galaxy S21 Ultra box almost half the size compared to last year's Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, as you can see in this direct comparison right here. The box still retains all the cues of Samsung's typical packaging, and getting inside the box, you find the device up front. There's a pre-installed screen protector here on top of the smartphone's Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection, whereas the back sees two protectors, which is kind of neat. One for the camera housing and one for the actual back of the device, which is again glass protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Interestingly, the back also has a warning sign telling you which hole on the bottom edge is for the SIM tray and which one is for the microphone. A bit of an engineering oversight in our opinion, but nothing major. Peeling off the stickers on the back, you find the matte phantom black finish in all of its glory. Arguably one of the better looking finishes for the Galaxy S21 Ultra this year. Definitely also better than last year's Galaxy S20 Ultra, where the finish was so bland we stuck a skin on the back. Here's also a side-by-side look between both the devices. Even though the S21 Ultra is 227 grams and 8.9 millimeters, both just a bit more than the Galaxy S20 Ultra, the overall feel and weight distribution in the hand for the Galaxy S21 Ultra is just far superior. You'll also be able to take a closer look here at the microphone and SIM removal hole confusion we talked about earlier. And speaking of that, this year on the S21 series, there is no support for micro SD card expansion, so whatever storage variant you go with the device, that's the storage you're stuck with for the duration you have the device. Getting back to the remainder of the unboxing, there's not much to it. You find yourself some paperwork, a Type-C to Type-C USB cable for charging as well as data transfer, and a SIM removal tool. So even the TPU cases we saw with Samsung devices in the past couple of years are now gone, at least on its flagship series. Let's start up the phone and take a bit of a tour of the experience. The setup process is similar to any other Samsung device on this 6.8-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X panel with slight hints of curvature on the sides. Personally, we like this touch. You also find biometric support here, which is an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and we'll elaborate more on its performance after using the device a bit more. We've also got One UI 3.1 running on top of Android 11 on the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is the familiar Galaxy experience coming from any recent Samsung device. Also, out of the box, the smartphone's screen resolution comes set at Full HD+. However, we're gonna toggle it to Quad HD Plus and adaptive 120Hz refresh rate for our subsequent testing. The overall responsiveness of the device is snappy with the Exynos 2100 CPU on this model, coupled with 12GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and a 5000 mAh battery. We're excited to test out every aspect of the device, so stay tuned for a lot more coverage and make sure you subscribe down below. If you have anything you want to see in specific, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching. This was Vaibhav, and I'll see you in the next one. Adios.